heart rate is A. Tachycardia, B. Bradycardia, C. Arrhythmia, D. Cardiomegaly. Correct answer, A. Question 1240. Which of the following is not a type of bone in the human body? A. Long bones, B. Short bones, C. Smooth bones, D. Flat bones. Correct answer, C. Question 1241. The medical term for earwax is A. Cerumen, B. Mucus, C. Sebum, D. Melanin. Correct answer, A. Question 1242. What does the abbreviation WBC represent in medical terms? A. White blood cell, B. Water and bicarbonate, C. Weight and body composition, D. White blood count. Correct answer, A. Question 1243. What is the medical term for inflammation of the liver? A. Hepatitis, B. Nephritis, C. Gastritis, D. Appendicitis. Correct answer, A. Question 1244. The condition, bronchitis, affects which part of the body? A. Lungs, B. Kidneys, C. Liver, D. Heart. Correct answer, A. Question 1244. What does the medical term MRI stand for? A. Magnetic resonance imaging, B. Medical Radiology Institute, C. Molecular receptor investigation, D. Mediastinal radiography imaging. Answer: A. Magnetic resonance imaging. Question 1245. What is the meaning of HTN in a medical context? A. Hypothyroidism, B. Hypertension, C. Hyperthyroidism, D. Hyperglycemia. Answer: B. Hypertension. Question 1246. Which medical term refers to inflammation of the appendix? A. Appendicitis, B. Arthritis, C. Asthma, D. Anemia. Answer: A. Appendicitis. Question 1247. Which abbreviation stands for before meals? A. AC, B. PC, C. QD, D. BID. Answer: A. AC. Question 1248. What does NPO mean in a medical setting? A. Non-profit organization, B. Nothing by mouth, C. Neurological pathology outcome, D. Nasal polyp obstruction. Answer: B. Nothing by mouth. Question 1249. Which medical term refers to the surgical removal of the uterus? A. Hysterectomy, B. Nephrectomy, C. Mastectomy, D. Appendectomy. Answer: A. Hysterectomy. Question 1250. What does CPR stand for in emergency medicine? A. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, B. Cardiac prevention and rehabilitation, C. Chronic pain relief, D. Critical patient recovery. Answer: A. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Question 1251. Which abbreviation indicates 4 times a day? A. QD, B. BID, C. TID, D. QID. Answer: D. QID. Question 1252. What does EKG stand for in medical terminology? A. Electrocardiogram, B. Endoscopic cardiogram, C. Erythrocyte kinetic gauge, D. Enterohepatic kinase generation. Answer: A. Electrocardiogram. Question 1253. Which medical term refers to the excessive thirst? A. Polyuria, B. Polyphagia, C. Polydipsia, D. Polysemia. Answer: C. Polydipsia. Question 1254. What is the meaning of CVA in a medical context? A. Cerebral vascular accident, B. Central venous access. C. Chronic viral arthritis. D. Cervical vertebral alignment. Answer. A cerebral vascular accident. Question 1255. Which abbreviation stands for twice a day? A. BID. B. QID. C. TID. D. SID. Answer. A. BID. Question 1256. What does BMI stand for in medical terminology? A. Basic metabolic index. B. Body mass indicator. C. Body mass index. D. Basal metabolic intake. Answer. C. Body mass index. Question 1257. Which medical term refers to the inflammation of the liver? A. Nephritis. B. Hepatitis. C. Pneumonitis. D. Otitis. Answer. B. Hepatitis. Question 1258. What does SOB mean in a medical setting? A. Shortness of breath. B. Subcutaneous oxygen bubbles. C. Systemic onset of bronchitis. D. Systolic overpressure in blood. Answer. A. Shortness of breath. Question 1259. Which abbreviation indicates 3 times a day? A. BID. B. QID. C. TID. D. QD. Answer. C. TID. Question 1260. What does GERD stand for in medical terminology? A. Gastrointestinal reflux disease. B. Gastric erosion and reflux disorder. C. Gallbladder enzyme regulation deficiency. D. Glomerular endothelial retention dysfunction. Answer. A. Gastrointestinal reflux disease. Question 1261. Which medical term refers to the abnormal accumulation of fluid in the lungs? A. Pneumothorax. B. Pleuritis. C. Pneumonia. D. Pulmonary edema. Answer. D. Pulmonary edema. Question 1262. What is the meaning of TSH in a medical context? A. Thyroxine stimulating hormone. B. Total serum hyaluronate. C. Tracheal smooth muscle hypertrophy. D. Testosterone secretion homeostasis. Answer. A. Thyroxine stimulating hormone. Question 1263. Which abbreviation stands for every day? A. BID. B. QD. C. TID. D. QID. Answer. B. QD. Question 1264. What does DVT stand for in medical terminology? A. Deep vein thrombosis. B. Disseminated viral transfection. C. Diastolic ventricular tachycardia. D. Dorsal vertebral trauma. Answer. A. Deep vein thrombosis. Question 1265. Which medical term refers to the loss of memory due to brain injury or shock? A. Dementia. B. Amnesia. C. Alzheimer's. D. Aphasia. Answer. B. Amnesia. Question 1266. What is the meaning of TB in a medical context? A. Tuberculosis. B. Thrombosis. C. Thyroid binding. D. Tracheal blockage. Answer. A. Tuberculosis. Question 1267. Which abbreviation stands for as needed? A. BID. B. QD. C. TID. D. PRN. Answer. D. PRN. Question 1268. What does SIDS stand for in medical terminology? A. Sudden infant death syndrome. B. Systematic inflammatory disease syndrome. C. Systolic intestinal disorder syndrome. D. Spontaneous intracranial decompression syndrome. Answer. A. Sudden infant death syndrome. Question 1269. Which medical term refers to inflammation of the joints? A. Arthroscopy. B. Osteoporosis. C. Arthritis. D. Osteo. Answer C. Arthritis. Question 1270. What is the most recent development in the pharmaceutical industry aimed at accelerating drug approval processes? A. Implementation of stricter import regulations. B. Introduction of additional clinical trial phases. C. Adoption of the fast-track approval system. D. Removal of quality control measures. Correct answer, C. Question 1271. In which year did the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan introduce the ECTD Electronic Common Technical Document Submission System? A. 2018. B. 2020. C. 2019. D. 2022. Correct answer, C. Question 1272. Which international organization regulates the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products worldwide? A. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. B. WHO, World Health Organization. C. CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. D. EMA, European Medicines Agency. Correct answer, B. Question 1273. What is the primary purpose of the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan? A. Promoting pharmaceutical exports. B. Ensuring drug affordability for the public. C. Regulating and monitoring the pharmaceutical industry. D. Encouraging the establishment of new pharmaceutical companies. Correct answer, C. Question 1274. What regulatory measure can be taken to combat counterfeit drugs in the market? A. Reducing import taxes on pharmaceutical products. B. Implementing stricter licensing requirements for pharmacies. C. Allowing direct-to-consumer advertising of prescription medications. D. Strengthening supply chain and border control mechanisms. Correct answer, D. Question 1275. Which recent policy change in Pakistan has had a significant impact on the pharmaceutical industry? A. Reduction in pharmaceutical research grants. B. Implementation of price controls on essential drugs. C. Relaxation of clinical trial approval procedures. D. Removal of import tariffs on pharmaceutical raw materials. Correct answer, B. Question 1276. Which international event would have the most significant influence on pharmaceutical regulations and policies in Pakistan? A. A change in government leadership. B. A major disease outbreak. C. A global economic recession. D. A natural disaster. Correct answer, A. Question 1277. What is the significance of the pharmacovigilance program implemented by the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan? A. Ensuring the proper disposal of expired drugs. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. C. Promoting generic drug usage among the public. D. Encouraging pharmaceutical exports to neighboring countries. Correct answer, B. Question 1278. How can the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan contribute to the accessibility of essential medicines in the country? A. By imposing higher taxes on pharmaceutical companies. B. By encouraging the parallel importation of drugs. C. By restricting the establishment of foreign pharmaceutical companies. D. By implementing a transparent and efficient drug registration process. Correct answer, D. Question 1279. Which recent amendment in drug regulations has focused on promoting the use of traditional medicine in Pakistan? A. Introducing a ban on traditional medicine practices. B. Implementing a certification process for traditional healers. C. Recognizing traditional medicine in the National Essential Drug List. D. Removing traditional medicine products from pharmacy shelves. Correct answer. C. Question 1280. What role does the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan play in international collaborations for drug development? A. Facilitating technology transfers between countries. B. Regulating the export of locally manufactured drugs. C. Participating in international pharmaceutical trade fairs. D. Providing scholarships for pharmaceutical research abroad. Correct answer. B. Question 1281. How does the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan support the pharmaceutical industry's research and development efforts? A. By providing financial incentives for clinical trials. B. By banning the import of foreign-made drugs. C. By imposing higher taxes on research-based pharmaceutical companies. D. By offering subsidized marketing services for new drugs. Correct answer. A. Question 1282. What is the purpose of Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Ensuring the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. B. Promoting pharmaceutical exports to foreign markets. C. Reducing the overall production cost of drugs. D. Encouraging the use of traditional medicine practices. Correct answer. A. Question 1283. Which recent regulation has been put in place by the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan to encourage local pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Imposing restrictions on the import of finished pharmaceutical products. B. Reducing the registration fees for imported drugs. C. Establishing tax incentives for foreign pharmaceutical companies. D. Relaxing the quality control standards for imported raw materials. Correct answer. A. Question 1284. How can the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan contribute to public health awareness? A. By promoting off-label drug use. B. By conducting regular public seminars on drug manufacturing. C. By collaborating with pharmaceutical companies for direct marketing. D. By providing accurate drug information through official channels. Correct answer. D. Question 1285. What impact can changing patent laws have on the pharmaceutical industry in Pakistan? A. Encouraging foreign investment in the pharmaceutical sector. B. Hindering access to essential medicines due to higher prices. C. Promoting the use of generic drugs among the public. D. Reducing the demand for locally manufactured drugs. Correct answer. B. Question 1286. How can the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan contribute to reducing healthcare costs for the public? A. By enforcing price controls on essential drugs. B. By promoting the import of expensive foreign drugs. C. By encouraging the privatization of healthcare facilities. D. By increasing registration fees for pharmaceutical companies. Correct answer. A. Question 1287. What is the purpose of the drug recall system implemented by the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan? A. Identifying and removing expired drugs from the market. B. Promoting the use of expired drugs in emergencies. C. Allowing pharmaceutical companies to recall unpopular drugs. D. Banning the production of specific pharmaceutical products. Correct answer. A. Question 1288. What regulatory change has been introduced by the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan to improve drug pricing transparency? A. Implementing a fixed pricing model for all drugs. B. Requiring pharmaceutical companies to disclose drug production costs. C. Allowing pharmacies to set drug prices independently. D. Introducing a public database of drug prices and profit margins. Correct answer. D. Question 1289. How does the Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan monitor pharmaceutical advertising and marketing practices? A. By allowing direct-to-consumer advertising of prescription drugs. B. By collaborating with international advertising agencies. C. By implementing a code of conduct for pharmaceutical companies. D. By permitting unrestricted promotion of over-the-counter drugs. Correct answer, C. Question 1290. What measures can be taken to combat substandard drugs in the market? A. Reducing drug testing frequency for local manufacturers. B. Imposing higher import taxes on pharmaceutical products. C. Establishing stringent quality control standards for drug imports. D. Allowing pharmaceutical companies to self-regulate quality standards. Correct answer, C. Question 1291. Which country recently implemented a new policy to regulate the prices of essential medicines? A. Pakistan. B. India. C. United States. D. China. Answer: A. Pakistan. Question 1292. The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) is responsible for regulating which of the following products? A. Cosmetics. B. Pharmaceuticals. C. Medical devices. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Question 1293. In 2022, which vaccine was approved by DRAP for emergency use to combat the COVID-19 pandemic in Pakistan? A. Pfizer-BioNTech. B. AstraZeneca. C. Sinovac. D. Moderna. Answer: A. Pfizer-BioNTech. Question 1294. Which regulatory body in Pakistan is responsible for issuing licenses to pharmaceutical companies? A. Ministry of Health. B. World Health Organization (WHO). C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. Pakistan Medical Commission (PMC). Answer: C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1295. The National Essential Medicine List of Pakistan is updated by DRAP every A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 5 years. Answer: C. 3 years. Question 1296. What was the major focus of the Pharmaceutical Policy 2019, introduced by DRAP? A. Encouraging generic drug manufacturing. B. Promoting foreign pharmaceutical imports. C. Increasing drug prices. D. Reducing drug quality standards. Answer: A. Encouraging generic drug manufacturing. Question 1297. Which international organization provides technical support to DRAP in ensuring drug safety and efficacy? A. International Monetary Fund (IMF). B. United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization (UNESCO). C. World Health Organization (WHO). D. World Trade Organization (WTO). Answer: C. World Health Organization (WHO). Question 1298. What was the major objective behind the introduction of the clinical trials policy in Pakistan? A. Attracting more foreign investment in the pharmaceutical sector. B. Promoting local manufacturing of generic drugs. C. Ensuring ethical conduct and patient safety in clinical trials. D. Streamlining the approval process for drug patents. Answer: C. Ensuring ethical conduct and patient safety in clinical trials. Question 1299. Which organization announced the approval of the Sputnik V vaccine for use in Pakistan in 2021? A. Food and Drug Administration (FDA, USA). B. European Medicines Agency (EMA). C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). Answer: C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1300. Which regulatory change was introduced by DRAP to expedite the approval of life-saving drugs in emergencies? A. Fast-track registration. B. Emergency use authorization. C. Accelerated drug approval. D. Priority medication access. Answer. B. Emergency use authorization. Question 1301. The Pharmacovigilance Center in Pakistan is responsible for A. Monitoring adverse drug reactions. B. Conducting clinical trials. C. Setting drug prices. D. Approving new drug patents. Answer. A. Monitoring adverse drug reactions. Question 1302. In 2022, which vaccine was included in the expanded program on immunization (EPI) in Pakistan to protect children against pneumonia? A. Hib vaccine. B. Meningococcal vaccine. C. Rotavirus vaccine. D. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. Answer. D. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. Question 1303. The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) falls under which ministry of the Pakistani government? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Commerce. C. Ministry of Health Services. D. Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Answer. C. Ministry of Health Services. Question 1304. What was the major impact of the drug pricing policy introduced by DRAP in 2020? A. Decreased drug availability. B. Increased drug affordability. C. Reduced competition among pharmaceutical companies. D. Improved drug quality. Answer. B. Increased drug affordability. Question 1305. Which organization approves the registration of new pharmaceutical products in Pakistan? A. World Trade Organization (WTO). B. Pakistan Medical Commission (PMC). C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). D. Ministry of Health. Answer. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1306. The Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) guidelines issued by DRAP ensure A. Access to essential medicines in rural areas. B. High-quality manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. C. Faster approval of drug patents. D. Lower prices for generic drugs. Answer. B. High-quality manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. Question 1307. Which vaccine received the first-ever emergency use authorization in Pakistan? A. Sinopharm. B. Oxford AstraZeneca. C. Johnson & Johnson. D. CanSino Bio. Answer. A. Sinopharm. Question 1308. What is the maximum validity period of a drug registration certificate issued by DRAP? A. 1 year. B. 3 years. C. 5 years. D. 10 years. Answer. B. 3 years. Question 1309. In 2021, DRAP imposed a ban on the sale and use of which drug due to its potential health risks? A. Aspirin. B. Paracetamol. C. Ranitidine. D. Ibuprofen. Answer. C. Ranitidine. Question 1310. The National Immunization Management System, introduced by DRAP, aims to A. Monitor COVID-19 vaccination status. B. Track and manage vaccine inventory. C. Import vaccines from foreign countries. D. Implement mass immunization campaigns. Answer. B. Track and manage vaccine inventory. Question 1311. Which of the following organizations works in collaboration with DRAP to inspect and certify drug manufacturing facilities? A. International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering (ISPE). B. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association (PPMA). C. World Health Organization (WHO). D. International Organization for Standardization (ISO). Answer: D. International Organization for Standardization (ISO). Question 1312. The generic drug policy, introduced by DRAP, aims to a. Encourage the use of branded drugs. B. Increase drug prices. C. Promote the use of generic medicines. D. Impose tariffs on imported pharmaceutical products. Answer: C. Promote the use of generic medicines. Question 1313. What is the purpose of analytical skills in a professional setting? A. To perform routine tasks. B. To analyze and interpret data. C. To manage human resources. D. To engage in creative brainstorming. Correct answer: B. To analyze and interpret data. Question 1314. Which of the following is an example of quantitative data analysis? A. Analyzing survey responses for patterns and themes. B. Conducting focus group discussions. C. Calculating profit margins based on sales data. D. Reviewing case studies for best practices. Correct answer: C. Calculating profit margins based on sales data. Question 1315. When faced with a complex problem, what is the first step in the analytical process? A. Formulating a hypothesis. B. Identifying the problem. C. Implementing a solution. D. Collecting relevant data. Correct answer: B. Identifying the problem. Question 1316. An assistant director uses analytical skills to a. Supervise staff performance. B. Manage financial resources. C. Gather and interpret information. D. Draft official correspondence. Correct answer: C. Gather and interpret information. Question 1317. Which analytical technique involves breaking down a problem into smaller parts to understand its components better? A. Critical thinking. B. SWOT analysis. C. Root cause analysis. D. Pareto analysis. Correct answer: A. Critical thinking. Question 1318. A case study presents a real-life scenario that requires a. Memorization of facts. B. Recitation of theories. C. Application of knowledge to a practical situation. D. Guessing the outcome. Correct answer: C. Application of knowledge to a practical situation. Question 1319. In a pharmaceutical case study, what should an assistant director focus on when assessing regulatory compliance? A. Marketing strategies. B. Sales projections. C. Patient safety and product efficacy. D. Company profits. Correct answer: C. Patient safety and product efficacy. Question 1320. When evaluating a case study's success factors, which aspect should be considered most critical? A. Cost effectiveness. B. Employee satisfaction. C. Stakeholder engagement. D. Meeting deadlines. Correct answer: A. Cost effectiveness. Question 1321. How can an assistant director approach the analysis of a complex case study? A. Rely on intuition and gut feeling. B. Delegate the task to subordinates. C. Break it down into manageable parts and analyze each section. D. Implement previously used solutions without modifications. Correct answer: C. Break it down into manageable parts and analyze each section. Question 1322. In a case study involving drug development, what would be the primary focus of the assistant director's analysis? A. Identifying potential market competitors. B. Evaluating the drug's financial viability. C. Assessing the drug's efficacy and safety. D. Reviewing the marketing and advertising strategy. Correct answer. C. Assessing the drug's efficacy and safety. Question 1323. What is the best approach to solve a complex analytical problem? A. Relies solely on past experiences. B. Collaborate with a diverse team for insights. C. Avoid seeking advice from others. D. Rush through the process to save time. Correct answer. B. Collaborate with a diverse team for insights. Question 1324. Which data representation is most suitable for analyzing trends over time? A. Pie chart. B. Bar graph. C. Scatter plot. D. Line chart. Correct answer. D. Line chart. Question 1325. In a regulatory context, what does the acronym DRAP stand for? A. Drug Registration and Authorization Program. B. Drug Regulatory and Approval Process. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. D. Drug Research and Accreditation Panel. Correct answer. C. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1326. Which step is not part of the problem-solving process? A. Identifying the problem. B. Implementing a solution. C. Analyzing data. D. Creating the problem. Correct answer. D. Creating the problem. Question 1327. An assistant director needs to make a decision based on incomplete information. What type of analysis is most suitable in this situation? A. Descriptive analysis. B. Predictive analysis. C. Prescriptive analysis. D. Diagnostic analysis. Correct answer. B. Predictive analysis. Question 1328. In a case study involving a potential drug safety issue, what should an assistant director prioritize? A. Conducting an immediate recall. B. Communicating with the media. C. Investigating the issue thoroughly. D. Seeking legal counsel. Correct answer. C. Investigating the issue thoroughly. Question 1329. When analyzing a case study related to pharmaceutical market trends, what external factors should be considered? A. Historical sales data. B. Competitors' pricing strategies. C. In-house research findings. D. Employee satisfaction surveys. Correct answer. B. Competitors' pricing strategies. Question 1330. In a case study about drug manufacturing, what potential quality control issues should be examined? A. Supplier relationships. B. Distribution logistics. C. Production capacity. D. Environmental sustainability. Correct answer. A. Supplier relationships. Question 1331. How can an assistant director effectively communicate analytical findings to stakeholders? A. Using complex technical jargon. B. Providing a brief overview without details. C. Creating visual aids and clear explanations. D. Omitting unfavorable results. Correct answer. C. Creating visual aids and clear explanations. Question 1332. In a case study involving a new drug application, what role does the assistant director play in the review process? A. Granting approval based on personal judgment. B. Reviewing for potential conflicts of interest. C. Complying with external pressures. D. Speeding up the process to meet deadlines. Correct answer. B. Reviewing for potential conflicts of interest. Question 1333. Which of the following is not an essential component of critical thinking? A. Analysis. B. Creativity. C. Emotion. D. Evaluation. Answer. C. Question 1334. A retailer wants to optimize their store layout to increase sales. What analytical method should they use to identify the most profitable arrangement? A. SWOT analysis. B. Pareto analysis. C. Regression analysis. D. ABC analysis. Answer: C. Question 1335. In a case study, what is the primary purpose of a SWOT analysis? A. Identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. B. Evaluating the financial performance of a company. C. Assessing the market share of a product. D. Calculating return on investment (ROI). Answer: A. Question 1336. A company has two competing projects but limited resources. Which decision-making technique would help determine the project with the highest profitability relative to its investment? A. Net present value (NPV). B. Cost-benefit analysis (CBA). C. Break-even analysis. D. Random sampling. Answer: A. Question 1337. When conducting market research, which data collection method allows for in-depth insights and open-ended responses? A. Surveys. B. Observations. C. Experiments. D. Interviews. Answer: D. Question 1338. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a well-defined problem? A. Clear objectives. B. Multiple solutions. C. Limited information. D. Measurable criteria for success. Answer: C. Question 1339. In the pestle analysis, the E stands for A. Economic. B. External. C. Environmental. D. Ethical. Answer: C. Question 1340. Which chart or graph is best suited for showing the percentage distribution of data? A. Line chart. B. Bar chart. C. Pie chart. D. Scatter plot. Answer: C. Question 1341. What is the purpose of a Pareto chart? A. Identifying the root cause of a problem. B. Comparing multiple variables over time. C. Analyzing the distribution of data. D. Determining the correlation between two factors. Answer: A. Question 1342. A company wants to reduce manufacturing defects. What quality management technique should they implement to continuously improve their processes? A. Six Sigma. B. Kaizen. C. Total Quality Management (TQM). D. Lean manufacturing. Answer: B. Question 1343. Which statistical measure describes the degree of dispersion or spread in a data set? A. Mean. B. Median. C. Standard deviation. D. Mode. Answer: C. Question 1344. To estimate the future value of an investment, which financial formulas should be used? A. Net present value (NPV). B. Internal rate of return (IRR). C. Future value (FV). D. Present value (PV). Answer: C. Question 1345. In a decision-making process, what does the term satisficing mean? A. Seeking the most optimal solution. B. Selecting the first acceptable solution. C. Using trial and error to solve a problem. D. Utilizing statistical analysis for decision-making. Answer: B. Question 1346. A manufacturing company uses a large number of raw materials. To optimize inventory levels, they should use which inventory management technique? A. Just-in-time (JIT). B. Economic order quantity (EOQ). C. First-in first-out (FIFO). D. Last-in first-out (LIFO). Answer: B. Question 1347. Which type of reasoning moves from specific observations to a general conclusion? A. Deductive reasoning. B. Inductive reasoning. C. Analogical reasoning. D. Abductive reasoning. Answer: B. Question 1348. A project manager wants to visualize the sequence of project activities and their dependencies. Which tool should they use? A. Gantt chart. B. Fishbone diagram. C. Scatter plot. D. Histogram. Answer: A. Question 1349. In a case study about market expansion, which factor is considered an external opportunity? A. Declining customer demand. B. Technological advancements. C. Limited availability of skilled labor. D. Economic recession. Answer: B. Question 1350. A company is considering two different marketing strategies. Strategy A has a higher potential return, but strategy B has a lower risk. Which technique would help evaluate the trade-off between risk and return? A. SWOT analysis. B. Decision tree analysis. C. Cost-benefit analysis (CBA). D. Sensitivity analysis. Answer: B. Question 1351. A manager wants to improve team productivity. Which motivational theory suggests that individuals are motivated by their belief in their ability to succeed? A. Expectancy theory. B. Herzberg's two-factor theory. C. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. D. Equity theory. Answer: A. Question 1352. When interpreting data, which measure of central tendency is most affected by extreme values outliers? A. Mean. B. Median. C. Mode. D. Standard deviation. Answer: A. Question 1353. Which of the following is a data visualization technique suitable for showing trends over time? A. Box plot. B. Histogram. C. Line chart. D. Bar chart. Answer: C. Question 1354. A pharmaceutical company wants to launch a new drug. Before proceeding, they need to assess potential risks and benefits. What is the best analytical tool for this task? A. SWOT analysis. B. Decision tree analysis. C. Gap analysis. D. Pestle analysis. Answer: B. Question 1355. In a brainstorming session, what is the primary purpose of withholding criticism of ideas? A. To prevent disagreements among team members. B. To avoid wasting time on ineffective ideas. C. To encourage creative thinking and idea generation. D. To ensure everyone has an equal opportunity to speak. Answer: C. Question 1356. Which analytical technique would be most suitable for analyzing customer satisfaction survey responses? A. Content analysis. B. Cluster analysis. C. Random sampling. D. Decision tree analysis. Question 1357. Which of the following is not a communication skill? A. Active listening. B. Nonverbal communication. C. Speaking in a monotone voice. D. Empathy. Correct answer: C. Speaking in a monotone voice. Question 1358. Effective communication skills are essential for which of the following job positions? A. Data analyst. B. Assistant director at DRAP. C. Administrative assistant. D. All of the above. Correct answer: D. All of the above. Question 1359. Why is developing written communication skills important for an assistant director at DRAP? A. It improves interpersonal relationships. B. It enhances the ability to conduct inspections. C. It helps convey information and ideas clearly. D. It reduces the workload. Correct answer: C. It helps convey information and ideas clearly. Question 1360. When writing an official email, it is essential to: A. Use emoticons to add a personal touch. B. Use jargon specific to the industry. C. Keep the message concise and clear. D. Include irrelevant details to provide context. Correct answer. C. Keep the message concise and clear. Question 1361. Which of the following is an example of nonverbal communication? A. Sending an email. B. Giving a presentation. C. Nodding to show agreement. D. Talking on the phone. Correct answer. C. Nodding to show agreement. Question 1362. The process of receiving, interpreting, and understanding verbal and nonverbal messages is known as A. Encoding. B. Decoding. C. Feedback. D. Channeling. Correct answer. B. Decoding. Question 1363. Which of the following is a barrier to effective communication? A. Active listening. B. Using simple language. C. Cultural differences. D. Providing feedback. Correct answer. C. Cultural differences. Question 1364. To avoid misunderstandings in written communication, it is advisable to A. Use long, complex sentences. B. Avoid proofreading. C. Provide clear instructions and expectations. D. Use as much technical jargon as possible. Correct answer. C. Provide clear instructions and expectations. Question 1365. When drafting an official report, an assistant director should A. Use excessive industry-specific acronyms. B. Write lengthy paragraphs to provide ample information. C. Organize information logically with headings and subheadings. D. Omit any statistical data. Correct answer. C. Organize information logically with headings and subheadings. Question 1366. Which of the following communication channels allows for immediate feedback? A. Email. B. Social media. C. Telephone. D. Letters. Correct answer. C. Telephone. Question 1367. I. Statements are valuable in communication because they A. Help to shift the blame on others. B. Enhance the speaker's authority. C. Encourage open and honest dialogue. D. Are easy to misinterpret. Correct answer. C. Encourage open and honest dialogue. Question 1368. The most appropriate way to respond to criticism is to A. Become defensive and argue your point. B. Ignore it and move on. C. Acknowledge the feedback and look for areas of improvement. D. Criticize the person back. Correct answer. C. Acknowledge the feedback and look for areas of improvement. Question 1369. In written communication, the tone refers to A. The pitch of the writer's voice. B. The overall mood of the message. C. The length of the document. D. The use of bold and italic fonts. Correct answer. B. The overall mood of the message. Question 1370. Which of the following is a formal communication channel in a workplace setting? A. Grapevine communication. B. Instant messaging. C. Face-to-face meetings. D. Social gatherings. Correct answer. C. Face-to-face meetings. Question 1371. When sending sensitive information via email, it is advisable to A. Use the CC function to involve more people. B. Encrypt the email for added security. C. Write the email in all capital letters. D. Add personal opinions to make it engaging. Correct answer. B. Encrypt the email for added security. Question 1372. What is the purpose of a subject line in an email? A. To include the recipient's name. B. To provide the date and time of sending. C. To indicate the main topic of the email. D. To add a call to action for the recipient. Correct answer. C. To indicate the main topic of the email. Question 1373. When delivering a presentation, maintaining eye contact with the audience. A. Distracts the audience from the content. B. Helps convey nervousness. C. Builds trust and engagement. D. Is considered disrespectful in some cultures. Correct answer. C. Builds trust and engagement. Question 1374. Which of the following is an informal communication channel in a workplace setting? A. Memos. B. Newsletters. C. Grapevine communication. D. Reports. Correct answer. C. Grapevine communication. Question 1375. To develop strong written communication skills, it is important to A. Avoid seeking feedback from others. B. Rely solely on spell-checking software. C. Practice regularly and seek constructive feedback. D. Use technical jargon excessively. Correct answer. C. Practice regularly and seek constructive feedback. Question 1376. When preparing a written report, what should be the first step? A. Finalizing the conclusion. B. Conducting research and gathering information. C. Writing the executive summary. D. Creating the reference list. Correct answer. B. Conducting research and gathering information. Question 1377. Which of the following is a common barrier to effective communication? A. Active listening. B. Clarity in the message. C. Emotional intelligence. D. Distractions. Correct answer. D. Distractions. Question 1378. Which of the following is an example of a formal written communication? A. Text message. B. Official letter. C. Social media post. D. Instant message. Correct answer. B. Official letter. Question 1379. When communicating with individuals from different cultural backgrounds, it is crucial to A. Assume they understand your communication style. B. Avoid mentioning cultural differences. C. Use humor to break the ice. D. Be sensitive to their cultural norms and practices. Correct answer. D. Be sensitive to their cultural norms and practices. Question 1380. Which of the following is an example of active listening? A. Checking your phone while someone is talking. B. Nodding and making eye contact with the speaker. C. Interrupting the speaker to share your own thoughts. D. Forming judgments about the speaker's ideas immediately. Correct answer. B. Nodding and making eye contact with the speaker. Question 1381. Which of the following is not a key component of effective written communication? A. Clarity. B. Brevity. C. Ambiguity. D. Conciseness. Answer. C. Ambiguity. Question 1382. Which writing style is appropriate for a formal report or academic paper? A. Informal and colloquial. B. Technical and complex. C. Casual and humorous. D. Clear and concise. Answer. D. Clear and concise. Question 1383. When addressing a professional email to a colleague, what is the best way to start the message? A. Hey. B. Dear colleague's name. C. Hi there. D. To whom it may concern. Answer. B. Dear colleague's name. Question 1384. What does the acronym KISS stand for in the context of written communication? A. Keep it straight and steady. B. Keep it short and sweet. C. Keep it super simple. D. Keep it sincere and sensitive. Answer. B. Keep it short and sweet. Question 1385. In a formal business letter, where should you place the date? A. Top left corner. B. Top right corner. C. Bottom left corner. D. Bottom right corner. Answer. A. Top left corner. Question 1386. Which of the following is an example of nonverbal communication? A. Speaking clearly. B. Using email. C. Writing a memo. D. Gesturing and body language. Answer. D. Gesturing and body language. Question 1387. Active listening involves A. Interrupting the speaker to ask questions. B. Focusing solely on the speaker's words. C. Providing immediate solutions to the speaker's problems. D. Paying full attention and showing understanding. Answer. D. Paying full attention and showing understanding. Question 1388. When seeking clarification in a conversation, it is best to ask A. Closed-ended questions. B. Leading questions. C. Irrelevant questions. D. Open-ended questions. Answer. D. Open-ended questions. Question 1389. What is the primary purpose of using visuals, such as charts or graphs, in a presentation or report? A. To make the document longer. B. To entertain the audience. C. To impress with design skills. D. To enhance understanding and retention of information. Answer. D. To enhance understanding and retention of information. Question 1390. Which of the following is an appropriate email etiquette practice? A. Using excessive emojis and abbreviations. B. Replying to all emails immediately, regardless of importance. C. Keeping email signatures concise and professional. D. Writing in all capital letters for emphasis. Answer. C. Keeping email signatures concise and professional. Question 1391. What is the first step in the writing process? A. Revising. B. Editing. C. Brainstorming. D. Proofreading. Answer. C. Brainstorming. Question 1392. Which of the following sentences is written using the active voice? A. The book was read by Sarah. B. The dog chased the ball. C. A mistake was made by the cashier. D. The email was sent by Tom. Answer. B. The dog chased the ball. Question 1393. What is the purpose of using headings and subheadings in a document? A. To confuse the reader. B. To make the document longer. C. To improve organization and readability. D. To add visual appeal. Answer. C. To improve organization and readability. Question 1394. What should you do to maintain professionalism during a business call? A. Speak loudly and interrupt if necessary. B. Use technical jargon to sound more knowledgeable. C. Keep a positive and courteous tone. D. Be casual and relaxed in your speech. Answer. C. Keep a positive and courteous tone. Question 1395. Which of the following statements demonstrates effective communication? A. I'm not sure what you're talking about. B. That's not my problem. I can't help you. C. I'll do my best to assist you with the issue. D. I'm too busy right now to deal with this. Answer. C. I'll do my best to assist you with the issue. Question 1396. What is the most appropriate way to respond to constructive criticism in the workplace? A. Become defensive and argue your point. B. Thank the person for their feedback and consider making improvements. C. Ignore the criticism and continue as usual. D. Complain to colleagues about the person providing feedback. Answer. B. Thank the person for their feedback and consider making improvements. Question 1397. When writing an official report, what tense should be used to describe the research findings? A. Past tense. B. Present tense. C. Future tense. D. A mix of past and present tense. Answer. A. Past tense. Question 1398. Which of the following should be avoided when creating a PowerPoint presentation? A. Using a clear and legible font size. B. Including excessive text on each slide. C. Using bullet points for lists. D. Incorporating relevant images and graphics. Answer. B. Including excessive text on each slide. Question 1399. Which form of communication allows immediate feedback and clarification? A. Written communication. B. Verbal communication. C. Non-verbal communication. D. Formal communication. Answer. B. Verbal communication. Question 1400. What is the purpose of a cover letter when applying for a job? A. To provide a detailed work history. B. To express gratitude for the job opportunity. C. To introduce yourself and explain why you're a suitable candidate. D. To request an interview directly. Answer. C. To introduce yourself and explain why you're a suitable candidate. Question 1401. Which of the following is an example of empathetic communication? A. It's not my fault that you're upset. B. I understand how you feel, and I'm here to listen. C. You should have known better. D. I don't have time for this right now. Answer. B. I understand how you feel, and I'm here to listen. Question 1402. Which communication skill is crucial for handling disagreements or conflicts effectively? A. Active listening. B. Interrupting. C. Criticizing. D. Avoiding eye contact. Answer. A. Active listening. Question 1403. Which part of a resume should highlight your specific skills and achievements related to the job you're applying for? A. Work experience. B. Education. C. References. D. Skills or qualifications summary. Answer. D. Skills or qualifications summary. Question 1404. What is the main regulatory authority for pharmaceuticals in Pakistan? A. Pakistan Pharmaceutical Regulatory Authority (PPRA). B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). C. Pakistan Food and Drug Administration (PFDA). D. Pharmaceutical Regulatory Commission of Pakistan (PRCP). Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP). Question 1405. Which act governs the import, export, and manufacturing of pharmaceuticals in Pakistan? A. Drug Import and Export Act. B. Pharmaceutical Manufacturing and Importation Act. C. Drug Act 1976. D. Pharmaceutical Regulations Act. Answer. C. Drug Act 1976. Question 1406. Drug pricing policy in Pakistan is mainly focused on A. Reducing the availability of essential drugs. B. Controlling the quality of pharmaceuticals. C. Regulating the prices of drugs and ensuring affordability. D. Promoting the import of expensive medicines. Answer. C. Regulating the prices of drugs and ensuring affordability. Question 1407. Pharmacokinetics primarily deals with the study of A. Drug interactions with enzymes. B. Drug effects on the body. C. Drug movement in the body. D. Drug synthesis in the body. Answer. C. Drug movement in the body. Question 1408. The term, pharmacodynamics, refers to A. The study of drugs' mechanisms of action and their effects on the body. B. The interaction between drugs and the environment. C. The process of drug metabolism in the liver. D. The study of drug manufacturing processes. Answer. A. The study of drugs' mechanisms of action and their effects on the body. Question 1409. Which of the following factors can influence drug absorption? A. Liver function. B. Cardiac output. C. Route of administration. D. All of the above. Answer. C. Route of administration. Question 1410. What is the primary purpose of conducting clinical trials? A. To test the efficacy of new drugs. B. To promote pharmaceutical companies' products. C. To train medical professionals. D. To reduce healthcare costs. Answer. A. To test the efficacy of new drugs. Question 1411. What are the three phases of clinical trials? A. Pilot, exploratory, confirmatory. B. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. C. Initial, intermediate, final. D. Introduction, evaluation, conclusion. Answer. B. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. Question 1412. What is the role of the Institutional Review Board (IRB) in clinical trials? A. To design the study protocol. B. To oversee the trial's progress and monitor patient safety. C. To analyze the trial results. D. To provide funding for the trial. Answer. B. To oversee the trial's progress and monitor patient safety. Question 1413. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) aim to ensure a. The effectiveness of the pharmaceutical product. B. The safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. C. The affordability of pharmaceutical products. D. The global distribution of pharmaceutical products. Answer. B. The safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. Question 1414. What is the primary focus of quality assurance (QA) in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Reducing production costs. B. Ensuring compliance with marketing regulations. C. Implementing good manufacturing practices. D. Ensuring that products meet predefined quality standards. Answer. D. Ensuring that products meet predefined quality standards. Question 1415. Pharmacovigilance is concerned with a. Ensuring proper drug storage. B. Identifying counterfeit drugs. C. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions (ADRs). D. Reviewing drug pricing policies. Answer. C. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions (ADRs). Question 1416. What is the primary purpose of a pharmacovigilance system? A. To promote the use of generic drugs. B. To identify potential drug interactions. C. To prevent adverse drug reactions. D. To monitor and evaluate the safety of pharmaceutical products. Answer. D. To monitor and evaluate the safety of pharmaceutical products. Question 1417. What is the initial step in the drug registration process? A. Preclinical studies. B. Obtaining approval from the Ethics Committee. C. Submitting a new drug application (NDA). D. Conducting clinical trials. Answer. A. Preclinical studies. Question 1418. The purpose of clinical trials in the drug registration process is to a. Demonstrate the effectiveness of the drug in a controlled environment. B. Obtain feedback from potential customers. C. Assess the marketing potential of the drug. D. Train medical professionals in using the drug. Answer. A. Demonstrate the effectiveness of the drug in a controlled environment. Question 1419. What does PO stand for in medical terminology? A. Postoperative. B. Porose by mouth. C. Polycystic ovary. D. Point of origin. Answer. B. Porose by mouth. Question 1420. The medical abbreviation, CPR, stands for a. Critical patient recovery. B. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. C. Chronic pain relief. D. Comprehensive physical rehabilitation. Answer. B. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Question 1421. In recent news, which pharmaceutical company has developed a COVID-19 vaccine using messenger RNA technology? A. Pfizer. B. AstraZeneca. C. Johnson & Johnson. D. Moderna. Answer. D. Moderna. Question 1422. Which country has recently revised its pharmaceutical regulations to streamline drug approvals? A. Germany. B. India. C. United States. D. Canada. Answer. B. India. Question 1423. Which regulatory authority should XYZ Pharmaceuticals seek approval from before starting Phase 1 clinical trials? A. World Health Organization WHO. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. United States Food and Drug Administration FDA. D. European Medicines Agency EMA. Answer. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1424. What key information should be included in the Phase 1 clinical trial protocol submitted to DRAP? A. Marketing strategies for the new drug. B. Details of the drug's manufacturing process. C. Preclinical study results and proposed study design. D. Potential drug interactions with other medications. Answer. C. Preclinical study results. Question 1425. Which regulatory authority is responsible for overseeing pharmaceuticals in Pakistan? A. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. B. Food and Drug Administration FDA. C. World Health Organization WHO. D. European Medicines Agency EMA. Answer. A. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1426. The primary purpose of drug registration is to A. Ensure the safety and efficacy of drugs. B. Speed up the drug approval process. C. Promote competition among pharmaceutical companies. D. Facilitate international drug trade. Answer. A. Ensure the safety and efficacy of drugs. Question 1427. What does GMP stand for in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Good manufacturing practices. B. General medical protocol. C. Global manufacturing principles. D. Good market position. Answer. A. Good manufacturing practices. Question 1428. The process of conducting clinical trials is essential to A. Register a new pharmaceutical company. B. Test drugs on animals. C. Evaluate the safety and effectiveness of new drugs. D. Promote herbal medicine use. Answer. C. Evaluate the safety and effectiveness of new drugs. Question 1429. Pharmacovigilance is concerned with A. Studying drug interactions with food. B. Reporting and monitoring adverse drug reactions. C. Ensuring proper drug storage. D. Testing drugs on healthy volunteers. Answer. B. Reporting and monitoring adverse drug reactions. Question 1430. The regulatory requirements for clinical trial approval in Pakistan focus on A. Fast-tracking the approval process. B. Minimizing documentation requirements. C. Ensuring patient safety and ethical considerations. D. Prioritizing trials for specific pharmaceutical companies. Answer. C. Ensuring patient safety and ethical considerations. Question 1431. What is the purpose of a drug pricing policy? A. To control the quality of drugs in the market. B. To standardize drug prices across the country. C. To limit the number of pharmaceutical companies operating. D. To encourage competition and lower drug prices. Answer. D. To encourage competition and lower drug prices. Question 1432. Which term refers to the study of how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and eliminated by the body? A. Pharmacovigilance. B. Pharmacokinetics. C. Pharmacology. D. Pharmacodynamics. Answer: B. Pharmacokinetics. Question 1433. The abbreviation FDA stands for A. Food and Drug Administration. B. Federal Drug Agency. C. Foreign Drug Authority. D. Food and Drug Association. Answer: A. Food and Drug Administration. Question 1434. Which of the following is not a step involved in the drug registration process? A. Preclinical studies. B. Clinical trials. C. Market launch. D. Drug manufacturing. Answer: D. Drug manufacturing. Question 1435. The process of monitoring, assessing, and preventing adverse effects of pharmaceutical products is called A. Drug interactions. B. Drug surveillance. C. Drug validation. D. Drug dispensation. Answer: B. Drug surveillance. Question 1436. The ethical considerations in clinical trials include A. Inflating the trial results to promote the drug's sales. B. Informed consent of participants. C. Conducting trials on vulnerable populations without consent. D. Skipping the placebo group to save costs. Answer: B. Informed consent of participants. Question 1436. What does WHO stand for in the context of pharmaceutical regulations? A. World Health Organization. B. World Health Order. C. World Health Oversight. D. World Health Orientation. Answer: A. World Health Organization. Question 1437. Which entity is responsible for granting drug licenses to pharmaceutical companies in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council PMDC. D. World Health Organization WHO. Answer: B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1438. The Drug Act in Pakistan deals with A. Import and export of agricultural products. B. Import and export of all consumer goods. C. Import, export, and manufacturing of drugs. D. Import, export, and manufacturing of cosmetics. Answer: C. Import, export, and manufacturing of drugs. Question 1439. What is the primary purpose of quality assurance in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Ensure drugs are always sold at a low price. B. Prevent the entry of new pharmaceutical companies. C. Ensure that drugs meet quality standards throughout the manufacturing process. D. Speed up the drug registration process. Answer: C. Ensure that drugs meet quality standards throughout the manufacturing process. Question 1440. Which term refers to the study of the interactions between drugs and the body's biological systems? A. Pharmacology. B. Pharmacovigilance. C. Pharmacokinetics. D. Pharmaceutics. Answer: A. Pharmacology. Question 1441. Which entity oversees the distribution of pharmaceutical products in Pakistan? A. Ministry of Health. B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. C. Pakistan Medical and Dental Council PMDC. D. National Pharmaceutical Control Bureau NPCB. Answer: B. Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan DRAP. Question 1442. What is the purpose of drug pricing policy in the pharmaceutical industry? A. To control drug manufacturing processes. B. To regulate the import and export of drugs. C. To monitor and report adverse drug reactions. D. To set guidelines for drug prices in the market. Answer: D. To set guidelines for drug prices in the market. Question 1443. Which phase of clinical trials involves testing a drug on a small group of healthy volunteers to assess its safety? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer: A. Phase 1. Question 1444. The abbreviation GMP stands for A. Good Manufacturing Principles. B. Global Medication Protocols. C. General Manufacturing Policies. D. Good Market Practices. Answer: A. Good Manufacturing Principles. Question 1445. Pharmacovigilance systems are responsible for A. Promoting the use of herbal medicine. B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. C. Determining drug prices in the market. D. Evaluating drug interactions with food. Answer: B. Monitoring and reporting adverse drug reactions. Question 1446. The drug registration process involves A. Assessing the impact of drugs on the environment. B. Testing drugs on a large group of patients in real-world settings. C. Analyzing the cost-effectiveness of drugs. D. Reviewing preclinical and clinical data to ensure safety and efficacy. Answer: D. Reviewing preclinical and clinical data to ensure safety and efficacy. Question 1447. Which of the following is a regulatory body responsible for drug-related laws and acts in Pakistan? A. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. B. WHO, World Health Organization. C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. D. CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Answer: C. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1448. The Drug Act in Pakistan primarily focuses on A. Pricing policies for pharmaceuticals. B. Drug interactions and pharmacokinetics. C. Clinical trial approvals. D. Import and export of drugs. Answer: A. Pricing policies for pharmaceuticals. Question 1449. Good manufacturing practices (GMP) for pharmaceutical manufacturing primarily ensure A. Efficient drug pricing. B. Ethical considerations in clinical trials. C. Quality assurance and product safety. D. Pharmacovigilance monitoring. Answer: C. Quality assurance and product safety. Question 1450. Which phase of a clinical trial involves a small group of healthy volunteers to evaluate drug safety and dosage? A. Phase 1. B. Phase 2. C. Phase 3. D. Phase 4. Answer: A. Phase 1. Question 1451. What are the ethical considerations in conducting clinical trials? A. Maximizing profit from the trial. B. Informed consent, privacy, and protection of participants' rights. C. Ignoring adverse drug reactions. D. Using unapproved drugs for trials. Answer: B. Informed consent, privacy, and protection of participants' rights. Question 1452. Which regulatory body in Pakistan is responsible for approving clinical trials? A. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. B. WHO, World Health Organization. C. CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. D. NIH, National Institutes of Health. Answer: A. DRAP, Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. Question 1453. The process of monitoring, collecting, assessing, and reporting adverse drug reactions is known as A. Pharmacokinetics. B. Pharmacovigilance. C. Clinical trials. D. Drug registration. Answer. B. Pharmacovigilance. Question 1454. Which step is not involved in the drug registration process in Pakistan? A. Clinical trials. B. Pharmacovigilance. C. Quality assurance. D. Drug pricing. Answer. D. Drug pricing. Question 1455. What does the term GMP